Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you have already read the title, today we are going to the Baku, Azerbaijan. So morning around 1:30 a.m. we booked the cab and we are traveling to Abu Dhabi from Dubai. So basically we are traveling through the Wizz Air. After 1.5 hour travel, we reached to Abu Dhabi airport. All the price details I am mentioning in this video. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. So for cab, it costed us around 220 dirham. Wizz Air is the cheapest flight from UAE to the Baku, and there is a lot of restriction related to the baggage. So that's why we wanted to go early just to make sure that for a smooth check-in process. We just explored the Abu Dhabi airport. It is very big and the clean airport. You will get a lot of food options also there. And this early morning also all the cafes and the restaurants were open. We onboarded flight on the correct time. Just one thing I want to highlight about the baggage. As I mentioned, there is a lot of restriction related to the baggage when you are traveling through the Wizz Air. So carry on baggage, there is some sizes. I have mentioned that on the screen. Your bag need to be in that size, otherwise they will charge you extra. So Abu Dhabi to Baku, it's just around 2.5 hour distance. So we reach around like 10 in the morning. We welcome with lot of winds and the temperature in Baku was very good. It's around like 15 degrees Celsius, so it was very good. So we book our trip through the Pick Your Trail. There you can customize your itinerary and travel on your own ways. It is a private transfer, so our driver come to pick us from the airport. This is a Baku airport. There is a one more terminal which is called as a VIP terminal. I feel it is very small but good airport. I was so tired after this whole journey because the whole night we were traveling. But outside view was so good. You will see lot of greenery and very cute houses. One way we saw some of the iconic buildings of the Baku. This is the Baku Olympic Stadium, which was built for the 2015 European Games. Baku is often compared to Dubai due to its rapid development, and you will see some of the building and you will feel it's just like a second Dubai. So Baku is the capital of the Azerbaijan and it is very vibrant city. It's known for its unique blend of the modern architecture and the historical side. It sites along the Caspian Sea and features a landmark like Flame Towers, the UNESCO listed Old City and the Hyder Ali Center that we are going to explore in the upcoming days. Azerbaijan is often considered a transcontinental country. That means it is located at the crossroad of the Eastern Europe and the Western Asia. In Baku, you can find a variety of a classic and a vintage car, particularly in areas like the Old City. We booked a diamond hotel for our 6 days stay and which is around the 7 km away from the center of the city from the Nizami Street. And it took around 40 minutes to reach to the hotel from the airport. Hotel check-in time is around 2 p.m. so we waited for almost an hour. So this is the hotel lobby. It is a very basic hotel and it is away from the city center. And some of the rooms are the really small. You can see the rooms now. And it is non-ventilated as well. So that is the drawback for me. So when you enter, you can see there is a TV unit and there is a no window in room and the lighting was also off. It is always a dark. You will get the 2 twin bed and there is a huge closet you will get. One more problem we face, that is the language barrier, because not all the staff speaks English there. But it is very near to the bus stop, restaurant and the grocery store. So that is the plus point for this hotel. The washroom was clean, neat and tidy. So this was okay hotel, not good, not bad. But I will suggest you guys to book the hotel near the Nizami Street or the Old Baku City. But we took a nap for 2 hours and went for lunch and had this kebab platter in nearby restaurant. Then we went to the Nizami Street and we booked the cab through the Bolt app. So this is the one more important tip. Don't book the local cab. Go with the Bolt app or the Yango app that you can download, and you can book through your UAE number as well. So you will get the cabs in the cheaper price. So Nizami Street in Baku is a busy and lively street filled with the shops, cafes and the restaurant. So it is popular place for people to hang out and enjoy the atmosphere. The street has a beautiful buildings and often has a street performance there. It is named after the poet Nizami Kanjvi. It is an important part of the city and you should definitely visit this street. So that was my day. We booked the cab and went back to the hotel. So I will see you guys in the next video.